You put a new Optus SIM into your phone, but instead of getting connected, you are left with no signal, no calls, or a message saying there is no SIM detected. The good news is that this problem is often easier to fix than it seems. If your Optus SIM is not working, start with the basics. Start your phone after inserting the SIM card. This allows your device to reconnect to the network and detect any changes that may not have been recognized immediately. The next is remove the SIM card and check that it is seated correctly in the tray. Even a slight misalignment can prevent your phone from reading the SIM properly. While it's out, inspect the gold contacts for any visible or damage. If you are just activated a new SIM, keep in mind that activation is not always instant. In some cases, it may take a little while before the SIM is fully registered on the Optus network, especially if you are transferring your number from another carrier. Another thing to check is your phone's network setting. If they are outdated or have become corrupted, your device may struggle to connect. Resetting the network setting can often help the phone establish a fresh connection. Software updates can also make a difference. Running an older version of your phone's operating system may cause compatibility issues with newer carrier settings, so it's worth checking if an update is available. To narrow down the cause, try inserting the SIM into another compatible phone. If it works, the issue is likely with your original device. If it does not work in either phone, the SIM itself or the account may need attention. It's also possible that your phone is carrier locked. If the device was originally purchased from, it may not accept an Optus SIM until it has been officially unlocked. If you have tried these tips and the SIM still is not working, contact Optus support. They can they can check whether the SIM has been activated correctly, confirm there are no account restrictions, and determine if a replacement SIM is needed. Most of the SIM issues are caused by activation delays, incorrect installation, network settings, or device compatibility rather than a faulty phone. So, working through these checks can often get you back online without much hassle. Uh, if this walkthrough help you understand the problem, stay tuned for more straightforward tech guides that make troubleshooting a whole lot easier. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.